isn't best pleased with it.
We've just locked keys in van.
Careful. We've just got to this toll thing. It's cost us €68 and we're thinking, what on earth for? So basically, all this time we've been saying we're going down to Italy, we're travelling down to Milan, we're going to go to Italy, all of this. Scrap that. Put an end to it. Draw the line under that sand. On the sand. Because what's happened is we tried to find somewhere to stay in Italy last night, going along these park for night reviews, thieves. We got stopped by police, we got the van smashed, 2 windows broken, dirty laundry nicked. Who are these people which are just going around smashing up vans? Anyway, me and Tom were in bits last night, weren't we, Tom?
I wouldn't say it like that, but yeah, we were distressed.
Devastated, distressed. It is such a good problem to have, but basically we don't know whether to go down to the south of France or we don't know whether to go to Switzerland, but then Switzerland's really expensive, but we were going to go anyway, but it was going to be after Italy and we were just going to like swoop through it and then spend more time in Germany.
We decided to go get a drink and think it through and come up with a plan, but and then this happened.
We've just locked keys in van. So I'm going to have to try. We have left the top roof vent slightly open, so I can try to get it fully open. But I don't know. Oh, what a nightmare. Wow. Literally just before we left as well, I said, shall we leave it open or not? And I said, oh, we'll leave it just slightly open. But that just proves that people could rob us if it's slightly open.
Yeah, literally. So now we need to shut it, but make sure
shut
that we have the keys. Well done, Tom. My gosh, my heart. And you've left your wallet.
Yeah, I didn't take anything, I just jumped out, I didn't know.
I locked the door.
Right, problem averted. Change of plan again. We went for a coffee and a sit down and a coke and have decided that we're going to go to Italy. So we're off to Turin. We've booked a campsite already and we're having 2 nights there, so we can then enter Turin without going in these weird emission zones that we can't figure out. We've got a 4-hour drive now, but hopefully it'll be worth it.
The drive started off with some amazing scenery, but and then it took a little bit of a turn for the worse.
There's all these diversions on the way to Turin. Don't quite know what they're doing. If I had to guess, I would say they're building another tunnel because they can't get enough of it. But we're just quite high altitude right now.
On the windiest road and fairly steep as well.
Yeah. So even though, it's a horrendous drive,
there are positives.
there are positives. It is beautiful. Like, you can't quite comprehend that we've driven the van here. Oh gosh. This is scary. Just easy does it. Nice and slowly. Everybody's in the same boat.
Around we go.
Around we go. And there we are. Lovely. So we've just got to this toll thing. It's cost us €68 and we're thinking, what on earth for? Turns out we're going into the Mont Blanc tunnel. And we've got a ticket and a leaflet.
What on earth have we done?
€68.
Radio, and have a nice trip. Le plus possible à droite et suivez les consignes de sécurité remises au péage.
Wow.
So we've successfully made it out of the tunnel to the other side, and I can confirm that we are in Italy. Woo! Well done for driving, Tom!
Not well done. I have no idea what's been going on.
Honestly, that blooming toll. As soon as she says 68 euros, please, I was like, you what? But, you know, hats off to everybody. That is a big tunnel. And I've just looked back at the mountain and it is huge. So as Tom said, it did take a lot of manpower. And someone's got to put food on their table, haven't they?
Not for free, Lauren.
Not for free. So yeah, now we're in Italy. Sharp.
Where do you reckon we go?
I don't know, you just need to park up while I go to reception, don't you? 68.
That's 68. Last one.
Yeah.
What a journey that has been.
We've made it to Italy.
It's now time to get settled.
Dinner is served. So after an eventful journey, we make it to Italy, but follow along to see what we get up to in Turin, Milan and Lake Orta.